How's it going? Thanks so much for coming to our gig.
Didn't expect this.
But lovely to see you all so bright and breezy for this start of Fleadh Week. Sarah and I have played together in like context of the Duncairn. So there's a big collective of us at the Duncairn. We play songs and tunes together, and we travel far and wide all across Ireland from here to Cork and back. But interestingly enough, Sarah and I have actually never played together in this context, so we're gonna
make it up as we go along.
improvise a set here, and hopefully it will soundtrack your Monday morning. It's definitely Monday, isn't it?
I guess it's all late, you know. But this is a wee folk tune from an American Canadian. Don't know. I can't remember. Courtney Marie Andrews, she's called, and she's very good. And I saw her in Bristol for the first time like 3 years ago, and I was just like really blown away by her set. So yeah, if you're into folky kind of stuff, check her out. And this is called "Must Be Someone Else's Fault." That's just a nice wee tune. Yeah.
From some old romance book.